Hello everyone. Sorry about the red eyes. I've been coughing something like, you know when you cough so hard that your eyes water. Yeah, that's why. Anyway, let's get the international greeting the other way first. Hola, aloha, cha, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yakamasu, здравствуйте, привет, bunna, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, xin chào, yebosio, tere, salam alaikum, saskeka, marhaban, merhaba. Welcome, my name is Brunel. For those of you who don't know, for those of you who do know, welcome back. You are privileged indeed, you lucky people, you. So this is the unboxing of Curleebox, as you've seen from the title. But before we get going, I hope you are well. You, your friends, family, loved ones, hated ones, neighbors, cats, dogs, snakes, whatever, gerbil, whatever, rabbit. No, I don't eat rabbits. Your chicken. I do eat chicken. Whatever. So whatever you know, hope everything is well. And if, you know, like me, your chest area is still happy to live up north, then you lucky person you. Yeah. Anyway, so let's get started. Actually, before that, let me check my face. Let me just check my eye is still watering, and I'm just there. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so this is the unboxing of Curleebox. Now, before we get going, I'm a bit of a before we get going, this is my last unboxing of Curleebox. I have stopped my subscription. I stopped it last month, and for me, my biggest issue with Curleebox has always been the total value of the items. Even at the best case scenario, I don't think it's ever gone anywhere near 40. It might have been 38 or something like that. On average, it's between £34 and £36. However, there have been a few occasions. Last year, I think maybe it was 1 month where it was about £27 thereabout. Last month, it was about 20 something, around £26 thereabout. And then a month before that, it was again around £25. And then on top of that, last month's box was full of the naughty stuff. Now, I do enjoy using the naughty stuff. They're quite light in the hair. They don't feel too heavy, and they work really well for my daughter's hair. However, that box has been done before, and even though I'd sort of, you know, complained a little bit and spoke to the founder of Curleebox and said, you know, there were some issues. She did say that it comes probably around April or the summertime. There are going to be some changes, maybe a change of supplier. There's going to be new stuff coming through. I have decided that unfortunately to stop it. I may go back to it at a later stage, but for now it's a no. I just don't feel that it is value for money. They do have something good going for it, is that a lot of the times they bring in new products in the UK which aren't even available in the UK yet. They're just brand new literally in America as well. So that's always been an advantage. But however, if you could marry that with the fact that there's a bit more value, total value to the box, I think it'll be a winning combination. But unfortunately, that's just not enough for me. So I have cancelled. So with that yapping being done now, that you know the situation in the background, we are going to open this. I genuinely have no idea what's in there. The box arrived half an hour ago, and so we are unboxing it all together. At the end of the video, you're going to be able to get a closer look at the items in there, just in case when I lift them up you don't get to see all the writing, and the lighting might be a bit too light. I mean, I've turned it all down as much as I can, but if you can't see the full details, then at least at the very end, just watch out for that. It'll be a short video with a closer look of the items. So as you can see, it is open. There, it's all sealed. The packaging is there. It's all sealed. I've not opened that. And there is a card. The first thing is March Curleebox. Oh, I see something green. I see coconut. I see honey. I might actually like this. I like natural handmade stuff. Okay, it is from hey. Right, let's go. Let's go. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Okay. Oh, okay. It's from a company I don't think I've Pure Naturals. I'm going to like this. Hands down, natural handmade stuff. I make my own products. I mean. But the company is called Pure Naturals, and it's got here Jamaican mango and lime. Ooh, coconut and milk and milk honey. Ooh, moisture mask. Yes. So let's hear a little bit more about this. Milk and honey, moisture mask. Coconut milk and honey working together to provide intense moisture, soothe hair, hair fibers, control shine, add gloss, and strengthen the hair. Fantastic. And in here you have what's shelf life of 12 months. And what is the amount? What is the amount? What is the amount? How much do you get in here? How much do you get in here? Do you know what? I have no idea how much you get in here. God, who knows? Anyway, so I can't tell, which is really weird because it ought to be very obvious in here. But probably about 400 grams in there or something, at least. Let's try and see if we can open it. Okay. Not a strong smell to it at all, actually. Doesn't feel as if it's been scented at all. So I'm just going to dip my finger in there. Oh, okay. It's like a really lovely mask. Oh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Ooh. All right. It's actually it's solid. Yeah, and ingredients starting off with aqua water, which is not uncommon. It's got other ingredients in there. Vitamin E in there. Carrot seed oil is included in there. Castor oil is included in there as well. So shea butter is also included in there. Shea butter is actually third item, so that gives you an idea. There's quite a bit of moisture in there. This is definitely moisturizing, so it is fantastic, great, and it's not scented at all. Great. Next item from the range is coconut and milk shampoo. Ooh, so you got the shampoo in here, and it says here this tropical recipe has been adapted to create a moisture infused shampoo formulated with natural ingredients to nourish and protect the hair and scalp. So that's that. Again, I'm one for sensitive nose and smells, so this one, again, it's got a slight smell to it, but it's actually been kept very, very, very minimal. And in fact, I think the smell in there would be a natural smell of the products themselves in there rather than a fragrance that's been added to it. So if you are a bit sensitive or you don't like it, not added smells, I do like added smells. So I might actually add my own scents to this and make it smell really nice. I might make it smell like mangoes and fruits so that I can have all the bees buzzing around my hair as it smells good. No, probably not. Anyway, so next item is voila, and this one is conditioning. Okay, coconut conditioning, and this one coconut conditioning mist. This light airy conditioning mist moisturizes and hydrates hair for shine and curl control, formulated for all curl types and textures. This is the perfect finishing spray, just to spritz all over the hair. Just to see how light it is. I have a thing about spray bottles. I don't like them too heavy. Okay, that's a good misting spray. Yeah, happy. Little bit of a whiff. Smells very similar to the shampoo. Very, very natural. Last but not least, the final item in here is this one, which is the conditioner, which is the leave-in conditioner. Okay, so this is a cream-based deep penetrating conditioner which gives hair shine. It helps to prevent split ends as well as protect color. So if you've got color treated hair, you can use this as a conditioner. There's a leave-in conditioner and detangler as well, which is perfect for my daughter. And by the looks of it, it actually looks as if it's quite a light one, so it's not one that's going to drag into the hair, make it very heavy. Do you know what? I'm not going to break the seal just now, so it gives you an idea. So these are the items, 4 sizes, 4 items in there. And again, let me see whether this one has got a size on them. It's really weird. I can't see the size. I have no idea why that is. That is so I have no idea. It doesn't show the size that it ought to, but again, this one will be about 250 mil, 400 mil, there about in between. So that's that. I don't know the total value of these items. I've not actually ever heard of this company as well, so I can't really give you any ideas. However, before the end of the video, I'm going to give you the total value of the items. I'm actually really happy with all the items so far, even though I've not tried them, but I am a fan of natural handmade stuff. And for me, that's always kind of like you get a tick straight off, because that means that you get a lot of the good stuff, you know, in a product, especially when it's listed very close to the beginning. That means that you've got a greater amount in there. Aqua, as normal, is usually the greatest thing anyway when you make products. I should know when I make my own, but that's that. So this is the this is the unboxing. It's got coconut. For me, generally speaking, coconut itself doesn't do much for my hair, kind of dries it out. However, when you combine it with other products, it works fine. It just can't be the main and only ingredient when I use it for my own hair. But you might be, you know, your hair might be completely different. That's it. Thank you very much for watching this unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. I was a bit of a loopy, but that's right. That's just a normal me. And stay tuned for after this, so you can have a closer look at the products that were unboxed today. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I do appreciate it, and we are getting there nicely. Towards the end of this month, I want to reach 2K subscribers, and we are nearly there. Well, not too far off, so go ahead, join